find a book on the shelf, you'll need to know which library it's in and what its shelf mark number is. You'll find this information when you look the book up on Library Search, DCU Library's discovery tool. Here we can see that the book is available in Cregan Library and O'Reilly Library. The copies are located in the main collection in both libraries, and that its shelf mark number is 808.027 PEA. Use the floor plan signs available in O'Reilly Library and Cregan Library to guide you to the right floor. These are also available online. For this example, we'll look for the book in O'Reilly Library. The main collection in O'Reilly Library can be found on the first and second floors. As we can see from the floor plan, all books with the shelf mark number 808.027 will be on the first floor. The sequence of shelf mark numbers go from small, from the 000s to big, up to the 900s, across the bays. There's a sign at the end of each bay that shows the range of shelf marks of the books found on that bay. Use the signs to find the range of numbers covering the shelf mark number you're looking for. And here it is. We'll find 808.027 on the right-hand side shelves of this bay. Now let's look a little closer. As you move right along the bays, the shelf mark numbers will get higher. The sequence of shelf marks runs from left to right in each section and continues at the top of the next section. To find shelf mark 808.027, start by looking at the numbers on the books in the first bay. Follow the numbers along each bay until you reach 808. Now you've matched the first 3 digits, continue along the 808s until you match the digits that follow the full stop in the shelf mark. In this case, that's 027. Here you can see a book with the shelf mark 808.0135. The first 3 digits match the shelf mark of your book, but the digits that follow 0135 do not, so keep going. The letters at the end of the shelf mark show the first 3 letters of the author's surname. Use these letters to find where the book is shelved alphabetically along the 808.027 sequence. And here's the book you're looking for. Remember, if Library Search says the book is available but it's not on the shelf, check the trolleys at the end of the bay or by the self-issue machines. It may have been recently returned.